Today I'll be showing you how to make veal piccata. For this recipe you'll need some extra virgin olive oil, some drinkable white wine, butter, half a lemon, capers, and beautiful pounded veal. In a heated saute pan, coat the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil. Lightly dredge the veal in the all-purpose flour and lay it in the pan. After the veal is lightly browned on one side, turn it over, deglaze the pan with some white wine, add your capers, a little bit of fresh lemon juice, and some butter. In less than 5 minutes, you have a beautiful, healthy veal dish. Lay it on the plate. Pour the sauce over it. And garnish with some lemon and parsley. Buon appetito.